I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Audi A6. First, warm the engine briefly, then secure the car with the parking brake and jack stands. Locate the drain plug and oil filter under the car, position the oil pan, and remove the plug carefully. Replace the filter, reinstall the plug, and refill with 5W30 oil to the proper level using the dipstick as your guide. Warm oil drains faster and flushes out contaminants, so run the engine briefly before starting. Position a catch pan under the drain plug and use a 17mm socket to loosen it carefully, allowing oil to pour out fully. While the oil drains, remove the oil filter and check the gasket area for debris. Clean the drain plug, replace the gasket if needed, and prepare to install the new filter. After draining, wipe the filter mount clean and lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil for a good seal. Screw the filter on by hand until snug, then finish with a quarter turn. Avoid over-tightening. Reinstall the drain plug securely, lower the car, and refill the engine with 5W30 oil to the recommended amount. Start the engine, check for leaks, and verify the oil level with the dipstick again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.